Hey, welcome to that innovation production. So anyway, the other night I was watching television and suddenly the TV went off, the lights went off, everything was dead. So it was a power outage or a blackout. In the Western world or in the first world countries, the main causes of blackouts are storms, floods, fire, earthquakes, lightning, and it can also be caused by heat waves, which causes a big demand on the power grid. Also, things like car accidents and excavations where people knock out part of the infrastructure causing blackouts. In the first world countries, there's something called rolling blackouts. Now, rolling blackouts are intentional blackouts caused by the power companies. It's where they force a blackout in certain areas or certain parts of the grid in order to preserve the whole grid. So that means, like, when there's more demand than supply, they do that to ensure that the whole grid is not compromised and everyone loses their power. In terms of the developing countries, the main cause of power blackouts would be capacity issues. So, again, the supply and demand issue because the infrastructure is not good enough to handle the demand from the population. So, my question to you is, when a blackout happens, so not if, but when a blackout happens, do you have a backup light source? So in my situation, when the blackout happened, thankfully it was only momentarily. I was thinking, now where are my matches and where are my candles? And I had no idea where they were. So what I started doing was researching LED lanterns. So portable lanterns are battery operated using LED bulbs for high efficiency. So my criteria were, first of all, that would be affordable, that it would be effective as a light source, so it would produce a good amount of light. It would have a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to keep on buying batteries for it, and it would be easy to use. So I found this one on Amazon. So in terms of the size, it's a bit smaller than my hand. It's got these handles up top here, where you can hold it like a old-fashioned lantern, and you can put a clip on it to hang it off some kind of overhang as a portable lantern for camping or something like that. So in terms of how you use this, it's very simple. You just simply pull it up, and there you go. You've got the light. Now you've got four different modes. You've got the bright mode, you've got the medium mode, you've got the red light mode, and you've got a flashing red light mode, which I believe is for emergency situations. Now, the reason why I like this one is because, well, it's affordable and it comes with rechargeable batteries. So it uses the 18650 batteries, which can be replaced, but these are rechargeable. So all you have to do, you don't even need a battery charger, a special battery charger to charge these ones. All you need to do is use a micro USB connector from your phone charger, and you can charge this using a adapter. Now here you've got a USB port. Now this is great because this device can actually charge your mobile device. You plug in a cable and you can charge your phone or tablet. So this serves as a power bank, not just a lantern, which is great. Now the other thing I like about this as well is it's got another battery backup. So let's say your rechargeable batteries go flat. You've got a double A batteries that you can use as a backup, and these are readily available anywhere. So you've got the two different power sources. So there you go. This is a rechargeable LED lantern with two power sources, and it can be used as a power bank as well. If you're interested in this, you can buy it through the links below. Thanks for watching.